Right now, somewhere in the world, a human is buying a birthday cake for their dog. And somewhere, about 15,000 years ago, a wolf was deciding whether to trust a human or eat one.
How did we go from that to this?
How did the most feared predator on Earth become humanity's best friend, couch potato, and emotional support system?
The answer isn't just cute. It's one of the most remarkable evolutionary partnerships in the history of life on Earth. Let's break it down.
40,000 years ago, wolves ruled. They were everywhere: Europe, Asia, the Americas. Fast, intelligent, coordinated hunters.
And humans? They were hunter-gatherers, small groups, struggling to survive. Not so different from wolves, actually.
Same prey, same territory, same problem: survival.
But here's where it gets interesting, because one group of wolves made a very unusual decision.
They moved closer to humans, not to attack, to scavenge. The bravest, least fearful wolves discovered something. Staying near humans meant easy food. Scraps, leftovers, no dangerous hunting required. The aggressive, fearful wolves, they didn't get the scraps. They fled, they starved, or were chased away. The calmer wolves ate, survived, had pups. This is where nature's invisible hand kicked in: natural selection. But something weird started happening to their bodies. Floppy ears, softer faces, curly tails, spotted coats. Scientists call this the domestication syndrome.
We know because of one of the most fascinating experiments in history. In 1959, Soviet scientist Dmitry Belyayev started breeding wild foxes,
Selecting only the calmest ones each generation. Within just 10 generations, the foxes looked and acted like dogs. Floppy ears, wagging tails, seeking human affection.
Friendliness literally rewrites an animal's biology.
And at some point, humans stopped just tolerating these proto-dogs. They started actively helping them. Dogs became hunters' partners. They could track scents humans couldn't, hear sounds humans missed. Humans provided food, shelter, and protection for pups. It wasn't just convenience, it was co-evolution. Humans and dogs were literally shaping each other. When a dog looks into your eyes, both you and the dog release oxytocin. No other animal on Earth does this with humans, only dogs. As humans spread across the globe, dogs came with them. Into the Arctic, across oceans, into deserts, over mountains. From Egyptian pharaohs to modern-day therapy wards, dogs have been at humanity's side for every chapter of civilization. So the next time your dog stares at you with those big, ridiculous eyes while you're eating,
know this: that look, it's 15,000 years in the making.
what began as two species competing for survival became the longest, deepest cross-species friendship in the history of the animal kingdom. Not because humans chose wolves, not because wolves chose humans, but because two species decided they were better together. And that decision changed the world. Thanks for watching. Stay curious.